A man cleared by DNA evidence should be a free man this weekend, but the bizarre behavior of a Detroit police officer during that exoneration hearing Friday delayed the case for Terrence Calhoun. The officer tried talking to the judge in court, claiming that he had new evidence. Well, in response, public defenders said, and this is a quote, "We have been informed that the information the officer attempted to present to the judge is nothing new and has already been thoroughly investigated." Priya Mann spoke to the police chief about the case.
Detroit's top cop launched an internal investigation after one of his own officers went rogue in court. And because of what that officer did, a man who should be free today remains locked up.
We're going to have a very swift investigation on this issue and get to the bottom of it.
Police Chief James White says he was surprised after a Detroit cop derailed the exoneration hearing of a man who was set to be released from jail on Friday.
Have leadership talked to this officer?
Oh, yeah.
Is he on leave?
Not yet.
On Friday, the cop tried talking to Judge Kelly Ramsey in court, saying he had new evidence against Terrence Calhoun. He was serving time for 2 sexual assault cases dating back to the mid-2000s, but recently discovered DNA evidence cleared Calhoun. Moments before he was supposed to be exonerated and freed from jail, the officer claimed he had new evidence.
If he had information that he thought that was germane to the case, then my question will be, what opportunities did you have to bring forward?
On Friday, Calhoun's defense attorney said the behavior was unprecedented.
Once you get in the courtroom, you expect the lawyers to take care of these things and that the police officer to be able to bring things to a screeching halt.
Calhoun's family had traveled from Tennessee expecting to be reunited with their loved one. Instead, Terrence Calhoun remains behind bars.
If there's information that needs to be brought forward to a judge or one of the prosecutors, that needs to be done. We don't want to say don't do that. Certainly we want to bring that forward, but there's a way to go about it, and certainly not during an open court appearance.
And in a statement, the State Appellate Defender Office wrote, "Mr. Calhoun is innocent. DNA testing exonerates him and instead points to a suspected serial rapist. Mr. Calhoun should have been freed. Instead, because a police officer acting alone with no authority could not face the facts, Mr. Calhoun remains wrongfully incarcerated, which is unconscionable." We'll continue to follow this investigation. At DPD headquarters, I'm Priya Mann, Local 4.
Judge Ramsey adjourned the case until next Wednesday. That's when we do expect to hear from the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office.